Hello, welcome to the Cardboard Toy Maker. In this episode, we're going to learn how to make Queen Bee LOL.
Queen Bee LOL.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alright, just saw a slideshow. Hope you're inspired. Get out there, go make your own Queen Bee.
Queen Bee and everybody.
And I hope you have a good day being creative.